Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to buy a styling tool on TEMU for extremely cheap. So TEMU is an online marketplace that delivers a product to consumer directly from China and provides a 90 days return policy. So let's get started. So here you can just come to temu.com and at the search button we will search for styling tool. Okay. So here we can see. So here we have a styling tool, so you can just select one of them. So I'm going with this at $0.89. Okay, so here we can see. So this styling tool contains four items. We can see like this one and this one, and you can see the comb. So this is styling tool for women, men and other people, so you can just use it. You can style like this. Okay, you can see some reviews also. So here we can see the description. So the description of this is for unisex. It's actually a unisex. Okay, so men women both can use. We can see here this is the styling tool. So Temu gives you a shopping security and it delivers the product for free. And to buy this product you have to add to the cart, then you have to click on buy button, then follow the instructions to make the purchase. And so this is how to buy a styling tool on Temu website. I strongly suggest downloading and installing the Temu app to save money.